Welcome back to Tech with LMC, everyone. For those of you who are new, my channel is about tech, cars, and anything else I do for fun. In today's video, I will be continuing the modifications and upgrades to my 2014 Honda CR-V EX. Specifically, I will be installing a new double-DIN Android head unit, which will include features such as built-in amplifier and wireless Android Auto and CarPlay. I'll put all the links in the description for this. Okay, so first let's remove the old head unit. This is fairly simple. Don't use a metal screwdriver since it can damage the trim. Use the plastic pry tool to remove the side vents. Next, remove the two Phillips head screws from the sides. The head unit is free and should pop right off. Once it's off, remove the connections from the back, including the hazard lights button connection. Here is the connections diagram for this new head unit. There is also two wire harnesses that come with this head unit. Use the wire model A for the Honda CR-V that doesn't have the stock nav unit or the screen. If you have those, then use the model B wiring harness. Okay, so now remove the three screws holding the vent to the front plate so you can move it to the new head unit plate. Also remove the plastic tabs on both sides and all the white clips and transfer them to the new head unit vent plate. Here's the old unit from the back. Attach the orange clips to the new head unit. Wire the GPS and antenna wires. Then connect the new wire harness to the stock wire harness. It should be a direct fitment, so there's only one way to connect everything. Here is where the rest of the wires go. Here is a closer look of the antenna and mic wire connections. Here is where the hazard lights connection goes. Run the USB and SD card wires to the glove box from behind the head unit. Here's everything wired up and placed where I want it. Now push the head unit back in, and there's no screws that hold this in, just the clips. And here's the final look. Now it's time to test this. As you can see, it has automatic functions that change the background and brightness according to the system lights. The system is actually very responsive and not laggy at all. Here's my EQ settings for my audio setup. It comes with the built-in amplifier and it does sound pretty good. I'll do a sound test in the next video where I also change the speakers. Let's test the wireless Android Auto and CarPlay functions. As you can see, it works exactly as expected and doesn't lag either. Sometimes during typing it's a bit laggy, but overall I have no complaints. I have owned this for 6 months now and it still hasn't given me any issues. Alright everyone, that's the end of this video. I'll be doing a lot more modification videos for the CRV, so stay tuned. Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay up to date with the latest content.